Hello everyone, welcome to Lingoverse Academy. My name is Beck. Here we'll be covering English file series by Oxford, and this video is going to be the first video of English file elementary playlist, and in the future we'll upload all the classes for English file and for each level. So please subscribe to our channel to not miss any future classes. Alright, this is the English file book itself, and to make the learning more comfortable for you, our team has prepared a presentation taking all the exercises from the book. Alright, let's get started. Today we're going to learn English file elementary unit 1A, listening and speaking. In this unit we're going to be covering verb be, subject pronouns I, you, and so on. Days of the week, learn numbers from 0 to 20. Okay, let's get started. Here we have our first exercise, listen from listening and speaking part, exercise A. So in this exercise, we need to look at the photo story and listen to the conversations. Match the names to people A to D. Okay, here we have names. Ben, Carla, Matt, Sally. Okay, and we need to write their names in the places here. For example, Ben. Okay, so let's start listening and writing. 3, 2, 1, go.
1.2 1.
Hello everybody, welcome to the class. I'm Carla, I'm your teacher.
2.
Okay, so what do you think where we can write Carla? Where we can write Carla? It's here, right? It's here. Good job. Let's continue. So this is how we do all the exercises.
1, 2, move your hips.
Hi, I'm Matt. What's your name?
Sally.
Sorry?
Sally.
3.
What's your phone number?
It's 07894 132 456.
4.
Hi, Matt.
Hello. This is Sally. She's in my salsa class.
Nice to meet you. My name's Ben.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye, Sally.
Goodbye, Matt. Bye, Ben.
5.
Hi, Sally.
Ben, are you in the salsa class too?
Yes, I am. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. And you?
Fine, thanks.
Okay guys, so here on the first picture we can see Carla, on the second Matt, number 3 is Sally, and number 4 is Ben. Okay, so then on the 5th picture they all attend the salsa class. Okay, let's continue. Okay, in the next exercise we're going to listen again and complete the gaps. Here we have the conversation, the whole conversation that we listen to, and we need to write the words that are in the gaps. Okay, let's listen one more time.
1.2 1.
Hello everybody, welcome to the class. I'm Carla, I'm your teacher.
2.
1, 2, move your hips.
Hi, I'm Matt. What's your name?
Sally.
Sorry?
Sally.
3.
What's your phone number?
It's 07894 132 456.
4.
Hi, Matt.
Hello. This is Sally. She's in my salsa class.
Nice to meet you. My name's Ben.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye, Sally.
Goodbye, Matt. Bye, Ben.
Five.
Hi, Sally.
Ben, are you in the salsa class too?
Yes, I am. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. And you?
Fine, thanks.
So, in pairs, Matt and Rosa, Sally and Ben,
Great.
George and Julia,
You're my partner.
Yes.
and Amy,
See you later, Matt.
Chris, and Jim.
Woohoo!
All right, and it seems like they're gonna have a very interesting salsa class, right? Okay, let's review what we have done here. The first one is name, okay? The second is sorry. Okay, number 3 is number. He says, what's your phone number? Number 4 is hi. Okay, he says, hi, Matt. Number 5 is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Right, number 6 is you. You. Right, number 7 is and you. So when we ask a person, you don't need to repeat the same question again. For example, they ask you, how are you? You say, I'm great. You don't need to ask back, how are you? You can say, I'm doing great. And you? So this is how you ask the question back. And you? Great. Number 8 says, fine, thanks. All right. In the next exercise, we're going to listen to 1.3 and repeat their conversations. Copy the rhythm. Okay, we need to listen and try to repeat it. Okay, I'll show you how to do it.
1.3. 1.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Welcome to the class.
Welcome to the class.
I'm Carla.
I'm Carla.
I'm your teacher.
I'm your teacher.
2.
Hi, I'm Matt.
Hi, I'm Matt.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Sally.
Sally.
Sorry?
Sorry?
Sally.
Sally.
3.
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
It's 07894 132 456.
It's 07894 132 456.
4.
Hi, Matt.
Hi, Matt.
Hello, this is Sally.
Hello, this is Sally.
She's in my salsa class.
She's in my salsa class.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name's Ben.
My name's Ben.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye, Sally.
Bye, Sally.
Goodbye, Matt.
Goodbye, Matt.
Bye, Ben.
Bye, Ben.
5.
Hi, Sally.
Hi, Sally.
Ben, are you in the salsa class too?
Ben, are you in the salsa class too?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
I'm very well, thank you.
And you?
And you?
Fine, thanks.
Fine, thanks.
Great. You're my partner.
Great, you're my partner.
Yes. See you later, Matt.
Yes, see you later, Matt.
1.4.
Okay, great job, guys. Well done. Now let's move on to the exercise 4. Complete the gaps with a word from the list. Okay, here we have words. Bye, fine, hi, I'm, and thanks. Okay, guys, please try to do the exercise by yourself. Pause the video, do the exercise, and come back to the video again. I'm gonna directly tell you the answer. Okay, the first one is hello equals hi. Okay, the second, my name's, you can change it to I'm, right? I'm. Right. Very well. You can directly say fine. Good. Then thank you, you can shorten it as thanks. Goodbye, shorten it as bye. Okay, well done everyone. Now let's do some practice together. Introduce yourself to other students. Okay, let's do it together. Right. Hello, I'm Antonio. What's your name? Okay, I'm reading this part. Hello, I'm Antonio. What's your name? Mia. Then you say Mia. Nice to meet you. I say nice to meet you too. Okay, now let's use our real names, okay? My name is Beck. That's why I say hello, I'm Beck. What's your name? Nice to meet you too. Well done. Now let's change our places. Now you say hello, your name, and you ask me what's my name. Let's go. Okay, Beck. Nice to meet you. Great job. Okay. Now if you have your other friends, you can also go and practice with them. And please write your name in the comments below. It will be very interesting to get to know you guys. And please write down your country, where you're from. Okay guys, we have finished doing the listening and speaking part for this video, and I will see you in the next video where we'll learn the grammar for 1A. If you like the content, please like the video and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.